Good day. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Okay. First, turn it off. Power it off. Okay. You're going to hold the power button and the volume up key and press them at once. And turn on, then you let it go. And it's in the factory reset setting. You press the down volume button and go to Y data factory reset. Then you click the power button once, and the next screen press it down volume again and go to factory data reset and press the power button again for OK. And that was quick. Down here you will see it said data wipe complete. Then now you go back to reboot system. Now press the power button once and wait for it. Just wait for it to fully load up. Just continue waiting. Just sitting there. Okay. See? Now your phone is fully factory reset. But here you can select the after factory reset, here you can select your language. Then you go start. Here's some information, you can select which one you need. Agree, connect to Wi-Fi, just skip it for now. Skip anyway. Copy data, copy apps and data. I'm not copying any apps and data now, so I said don't copy. Accept the terms and conditions. Protect your phone, you can set your face recognition, fingerprint or pattern. I'm not going to set any right now, so I'm going to just skip it and wait for it. Not going to set up any account, skip. you're all set up, and click finish. See, now your phone is fully factory reset. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and share for more videos like this. Thank you.